Hi guys, welcome to this episode of this lesson. In this video, we continue to strengthen our knowledge of SAT exponent questions. Okay, for this one, we have this all to the power of 2. Okay, recall this rule: a to the power of m. This is a to the power of m times n, which is a to the power of mn. So in this case, use this to multiply this. Also use this power to multiply this one here. So this becomes c to the power of negative 2 times 2 is c to the power of negative 4. C to the power of negative 4 times 2 is c to the power of negative 8. This is something as 1 over c to the power of 4, then 1 over c to the power of 8. Okay, don't forget a to the power of negative n is equal to 1 over a to the power of n. That is what we just applied here to get to this point. Now, this becomes 1 over c to the power of 4 multiplied by c to the power of 8. Same basis, add the powers. 1 over c to the power of 12 is the final answer. C to the power of 12 is the final answer. Then for number 2, a to the power of negative 1 or to the power of this. Okay, same thing, a to the power of m. N is equal to a to the power of m times n. Okay, so this one is now a to the power of negative 1 times 5 times negative 5 is 5. Then this is b to the power of 9. So that's it, b to the power of 9. Okay, yeah, so that is it. In some cases, they might write this in another form. Okay, now this is okay, it's okay. This is an odd number. If this a to the power of 5 were to be like a to the power of 6, and we'll have b to the power of 9, it can also be written like this. You have a squared, b to the power of 3, then this 3 can be outside. So since this one is odd, I think I can still leave it that way. So our final answer here is a to the power of 5 and b multiplied by b to the power of 9. Okay, then for number 3, this is x to the power of 2 times 4 becomes x to the power of 8. X to the power of y, okay, 1 times 4 is y to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 1 times 3, x to the power of 3, and y to the power of 3 times 3, y to the power of 9. Okay, so this can further be simplified to x. This is same base, you subtract the powers. X to the power of 8 minus 3 dot y to the power of 4 minus 9. So 8 minus 3 is 5. X to the power of 5 multiplied by y to the power of negative 5. It's the same thing as x to the power of 5 divided by y to the power of 5. Yeah. So number 4. Okay, this one is this can be written as 2 divided by x to the power of negative 3, which is same thing as 2 divided by x 1 over x to the power of negative 3, 1 over x to the power of 3, sorry, not negative 3. This is same thing as 2 times x to the power of 3 divided by 1, which is 2x to the power of 3. So B is the correct answer. Then for number 5, this is same base, subtract the powers. Z to the power of negative 3 minus negative 5. This becomes z to the power of negative 3 plus 5. So this is equal to z to the power of negative 3 plus 5 is 2. So this is z squared. So for this one, we're also going to subtract the powers. So this becomes t to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 over 4. So 3 over 2 minus 1 over 4. Common denominator is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3, 6 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. This is 5 over 4. So the final answer here is t to the power of 5 over 4. So this one, okay, so which of the following options is equivalent to this? Okay, now this can be written in scientific notation form, and 0.001 is something as 1 times 10 raised to the power of count 1, 2, 3, that is negative 3. So what means inside the brackets we'll be having 10 to the power of negative 3 or to the power of 3, and this would give 10 to the power of negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. That's negative 9. Yeah, negative 9. So this is the correct answer here. All right, for number 8, we'll have this. Okay, this is same thing as 8, 1 over 3, okay, squared, then 64, 1 over 3, also squared, right? So this is cube root of 8 squared multiplied by cube root of 64, okay, squared. So cube root of 8 is 2 squared. Then cube root of 64 is 4, okay, 4 squared. Okay, so this is 4 times 16, right? So 4 times 16 is 64. So the final answer here is 64, right? Okay, then for this one, number 9, this one is just like the last one we did, but this one is carrying negative sign here. So this is not to waste our time, this is cube root of 8 squared, okay, multiplied by since because of this negative sign, don't forget whenever you have a to the power of negative n, this is same thing as a to the 1 over a to the power of n, right? The same thing here, we'll do 1 over 64 to the power of 1 over 64 to the power of 2 over 3, okay, then This one is now 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over cube root of 64, okay, squared, which is equal to 2 squared divided by cube root of 64 is 4, then 4 square is 16, so this is 4 over 16, which is 1/4, because 4 here 1, 4 here 4. Okay, thank you for watching this video to this moment. If you learned something reasonable from this lesson, please, I would like you to go ahead, subscribe to this channel and share this video as well, because it might be beneficial to somebody else. Thank you so much, and see you in my next lesson.